Welcome to TaxAssembly. Let's start by looking at what students actually experience inside a TaxAssembly's audit client case. In this example, the topic is engagement letter, and the client is Spark Cart Campus Merch. At the top left, students begin with an internal memo. This is where a staff accountant gives them a brief overview of the client's situation and explains what they need to work on. Below the memo, students can review the documents provided for the case, including a partner email and the firm guide. In the middle of the screen, they can open and preview those documents as they work. Instead of being given all the information in a single textbook question, students review the materials, identify the relevant facts, and determine what information matters. On the right side, students answer questions by combining information from the documents and applying the auditing concepts they are learning in class. TaxAssembly also includes several built-in learning tools. The What's This button explains what this document is. The Guide button walks students through how to approach the task step by step, while Reading provides helpful context and practical guidance on the topic. Students and professors can also annotate documents directly in the preview area, allowing them to highlight or mark important information as they work through the case. Now let's see how professors can sign into their account. From the Professor Sign-In page, enter the email address and password provided to you and sign in. Once you sign in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, where you can see your existing courses or create a new one. When you select Add New Course, TaxAssembly will guide you through the setup so you can configure the class based on how you plan to use it. Once the course is created, select it from the dashboard. Inside the course, you'll see client cases aligned with your textbook by chapter and topic. This makes it easy to find a case that matches what you are already teaching in class. You can select a case, assign it to your students, set an assignment deadline, and choose when the correct answers should be released. From the same course, you can also monitor student progress. You can see how many students have submitted an assignment, who has submitted, and open individual student results for a more detailed view of their work. Students can access the course in two ways. The first option is to sign up using their school email address and join the course with the class code provided by the professor. The second option is an anonymous student access code. You can generate a unique code for each student and distribute those codes yourself. Students can then sign in using only their code. If needed, you can keep your own record of which student received each code. That's how TaxAssembly works for instructors.